What if I told you that a simple banana, the same fruit you eat every day, could dramatically transform the health and productivity of your lemon tree? It sounds unbelievable, but gardeners and horticulture experts have been experimenting with this natural method, and the results are surprising. Imagine a lemon tree with yellowing leaves, weak branches, and tiny fruit suddenly turning into a lush, vibrant, fruit-loaded plantal because of one unexpected ingredient, a banana. Research shows that banana peels contain powerful nutrients like potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium, all essential for citrus growth. These nutrients help strengthen roots, boost fruit development, and improve overall plant health. Today, we're diving deep into this fascinating, science-backed gardening trick. Stay with me, because what you're about to learn might completely change the way you care for your lemon tree. In this video, we're exploring a simple yet powerful gardening method, adding a banana or banana peel to your lemon tree to boost its growth and fruit production. At first, it may sound like just another gardening myth, but research and real-world results suggest otherwise. Banana peels are rich in essential nutrients that lemon trees often lack, especially potassium, which plays a major role in fruit formation and plant strength. Gardeners around the world have reported healthier leaves, stronger branches, and bigger lemons after using banana peels as organic fertilizer. Today, we'll break down the science behind this method, show you how to apply it correctly, and reveal the changes observed in lemon trees after using this natural technique. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, this research-based guide will help you understand why one banana can make such a big difference. Lemon trees are rewarding but challenging to grow. Many gardeners struggle with issues like nutrient deficiencies, slow growth, and poor fruit production. One of the most common problems is yellowing leaves, often caused by a lack of potassium or magnesium to nutrients. Lemon trees need in large amounts. Without these nutrients, the tree cannot properly regulate water, produce strong cell walls, or develop healthy fruit. Another challenge is weak root development, which leads to stunted growth and fewer blossoms. Even when gardeners use chemical fertilizers, the results can be inconsistent, and overuse may damage the soil or roots. This is where natural, organic solutions become valuable. Banana peels, often thrown away as kitchen waste, contain high levels of potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium nutrients essential for citrus trees. Research shows that potassium is especially important for fruit size, sweetness, and overall plant strength. Phosphorus supports root growth, while calcium helps maintain strong cell walls and prevents leaf curl. These nutrients work together to address the exact problems lemon trees commonly face. So the question becomes, can a simple banana peel provide the missing nutrients your lemon tree needs to thrive? Let's explore the science behind this idea. To understand why bananas benefit lemon trees, we need to look at their nutrient profile. According to horticulture research, banana peels contain potassium K, essential for fruit development, water regulation, and disease resistance. Phosphorus P supports root growth and flower formation. Calcium Ka strengthens cell walls and prevents leaf deformities. Magnesium Mg helps chlorophyll production and improves leaf color. These nutrients are exactly what lemon trees need to grow strong and produce high-quality fruit. Potassium, in particular, is known as the fruiting nutrient because it directly influences the size, juiciness, and sweetness of lemons. When potassium levels are low, lemon trees produce small, dry, or poorly developed fruit. How banana peels work in the soil. When buried near the roots, banana peels decompose slowly, releasing nutrients over time. This acts like a natural, slow-release fertilizer. Unlike chemical fertilizers, which can shock the plant or burn the roots, banana peels enrich the soil gradually and safely. They also improve soil structure, increase microbial activity, and attract earthworms' natural soil aerators. Gardeners have reported fluffier soil, better moisture retention, and healthier root systems after using banana peels. How to apply the banana method. Take a banana peel, or whole banana if overripe. Cut it into small pieces for faster decomposition. Dig a shallow hole around the drip line of the lemon tree. Bury the peel pieces and cover with soil. Water lightly to activate decomposition. This method is simple, eco-friendly, and cost-free. While banana peels should not replace a complete fertilizer, research and gardener experience show they significantly boost potassium levels and improve overall plant health when used consistently. After applying the banana method, the changes observed in lemon trees are often dramatic. Gardeners report greener leaves, stronger branches, and more blossoms within weeks. In one documented case, a lemon tree that previously produced small, sparse fruit began producing larger, juicier lemons after banana peels were added regularly. The tree's leaves became darker and healthier, indicating improved chlorophyll production and nutrient absorption. The most significant improvement is usually in fruit size and yield. Potassium directly influences fruit development, and when the tree receives enough of it, the lemons grow bigger and fuller. Some gardeners have reported up to 30% larger fruit and nearly double the number of blossoms, leading to a higher overall yield. While these results vary depending on soil conditions and tree age, the trend is consistent. Banana peels help lemon trees perform better. Another key moment is the improvement in soil quality. Gardeners notice more earthworms, softer soil texture, and better moisture retention. These changes indicate a healthier soil ecosystem, which supports long-term tree growth. The banana peel method doesn't just feed the tree, it improves the entire environment around the roots. Although scientific studies on banana peels as fertilizer are limited, the nutrient analysis and widespread anecdotal evidence strongly support their effectiveness. Gardeners worldwide have used this method for years with positive results, making it a trusted natural solution for citrus care. In summary, adding a banana or banana peel to your lemon tree is a simple, research-supported method to improve its health and fruit production. Banana peels contain potassium, phosphorus, calcium, and magnesium nutrients essential for strong roots, healthy leaves, and large, juicy lemons. This natural fertilizer helps address common lemon tree problems like yellowing leaves, weak growth, and low fruit yield. It also improves soil structure and microbial activity, creating a healthier environment for long-term growth. While banana peels shouldn't replace a complete fertilizer, they are an excellent supplement that boosts overall plant performance. If you're looking for an affordable, eco-friendly way to support your lemon tree, this method is definitely worth trying. Now it's your turn to try this simple, natural method. Add a banana peel to your lemon tree and watch how it responds over the next few weeks. Share your results in the comments. Your experience might help other gardeners too. If you found this research-based guide helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more gardening tips, natural hacks, and plant-boosting experiments. Let's grow healthier gardens together.